Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my weekly planner. So here we go. This is just for the whole week. There is nothing else. It is undated. So it starts with Sunday and it goes through Saturday. And then it's got your time in 1 hour increments from 6 to 11 p.m. First of all, if you wanted to change the colors, you could. You just highlight, click the fill color box and change your colors. We've got activities, so say if you wanted to change what time you wake up, you just delete these out here, and then you just type in the little box, and then you just type in wake up, and then say we're going to have breakfast, meeting at 9, lunch at 12, pick up kids at 3, and then you can do whatever you'd like with the times. To do, so if you wanted to write in a grocery shopping trip here, with a teacher, anything, and then you just click off the check boxes when they're done. There's a section for notes and goals, so you can just put in my goals here. And if you wanted to print this out, you just hit the print button. You could just delete out all these sections here, and then you print. Current sheet, landscape, fit to width. If you did normal, it would look a little strange. But if you did fit to page or fit to width, it would do it better, and then you'd have a whole row. And then if you did portrait, it would look a little different, but then landscape would have it all long. And so then you can fill out everything. So let's see, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. If you found me on YouTube, click on the link in the description below to purchase my spreadsheet. Thanks guys so much and have a good one.